guys, so today we're here with the TV. Very special guest. Big TV. It broke yesterday because of a hurricane. It wasn't really a hurricane, it was a tropical storm, but still broke. Disassembling the TV's back, so start with this screw. You gotta apply a little bit of pressure. That's one screw out. Now let's go to this screw. We're gonna screw all the ones that have arrows pointing towards them. There's another screw out. And then this screw. Now all the screws have been removed. We can just take off this back panel. And we're gonna just flip it over because there's wire there and it's long enough to do so. There's still screws inside. Hold on, screw gotta evacuate the screw. Where's the other screw? Oh yeah, I'm over here and over here. Hold on to it. We'll move it to the screw pile. Now we have the power board over there, which is what broke. The Roku board, because it's a Roku TV, and the screen control board. And we can see what broke. We can see what broke the board if we look into it. We see one. These are all capacitors, capacitor. But these blue ones, they're very small capacitors. And if you can see the burn mark on that one, that's where it exploded. We're either gonna replace the board, or just get another board from the TV, or replace the little capacitor. But we think that too much power went in and it couldn't handle it, so it blew up. Or it was just getting old and it blew up. So it transfers AC to DC power. So the Roku board. Roku board connects to the Wi-Fi. The Roku board gives information to the screen. And then that's the back. And the screen might be broken, but we're gonna fix it first and then see if the screen is broken. And that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna fix it, and then we're gonna show you if it works or not. And now we have fixed the TV. We can turn it back on. We're gonna press the power button. We're gonna press the power button. And it works now. But we're not sure if we plugged it in correctly, so we're just gonna have to